Hi, my name is Latoya. Today we're going to talk about how to find a journal article. I have a citation for an article that I found online, and I want to see if it's available through the library's website. On the library's main page, we'll go to Library's Catalog. Then we'll select Journal Title. From there, you type in the title of the journal, and click Search. Here, the library has several links to available years. For this purpose of this tutorial, we'll select the first link. The issue that we want is March 22, 2019, Volume 20, Issue 1. And then we'll scroll down. And here's our article, Doing Instructional Design for Distance Education, an analysis of design and technological issues in online course management. Click on the link, and you will see in the top corner of the article, there are several options to access this article. You can download it, email, send it to OneDrive, or Google Drive. Select Download. Click, and it's ready to print. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you.